Many times a diminished chord can also be used as a landing chord, as to soften the landing when you go from the 2, 5, 1, and instead of playing the 1 as a major chord, you can play the 1 as a diminished chord. For instance, if I have the 2, 5, 1 in C major, like D minor 7, G7, and then I have the C major 7, so I could do this. Or another variation. So those are really nice examples in which you soften the landing instead of just going. You have. In some cases, you actually can just land on the diminished chord and keep that going, for instance. You can see also that within a diminished chord, C diminished in this case, you can actually play a B triad. And if you play a B, you can also play and also a D. Because every diminished chord has a shadow, a harmonic shadow that's one step above it. So this chord also has in it as a shadow this chord. If you put the two together, you get the diminished scale. So within that scale, you have both B major, B minor, A flat major, and minor, and also D major and D minor, and of course F major. It's a beautiful scale and not explored as much as it could be. In many cases, all the musicians do when they play a diminished scale is to do this, which is okay, but it's just an arpeggio of the same 4 notes. If you can do this, gives it a lot more flavor to any harmonic passage to use the diminished chord. So I'll do these chords now just over a simple bossa nova groove, using the 2-5-1 and ending with the diminished chord. So